discussing first about congruence of triangles. What I mean to say is I'll be discussing about correspondence part. Last class, there were few students who were asking me doubts related to what is correspondence, right? So let us first understand that, and then we'll deal with those two sums which are pending, right? So talking about correspondence, correspondence bolo ya corresponding bolo, it means the same. Only thing is two different words, right? सो आप करस्पॉन्डिंग भी बोल सकते हो, करस्पॉन्डेंस भी बोल सकते हो. करस्पॉन्डिंग या करस्पॉन्डेंस का मीनिंग क्या है? इट मीन्स मैचिंग, बेसिकली मैचिंग पेयर्स काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, राइट? अब इसका मीनिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ट्रायंगल्स क्या हो सकता है? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, I hope everybody can see this beautiful triangle right here, right? PQR, right? And I hope everybody can see this triangle LMN. Can someone here help me? What is the meaning of the word congruent? Congruent जो वर्ड है उसका मीनिंग मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास में, अपना जो फर्स्ट लेक्चर था तभी एक्सप्लेन किया था. कैन समवन जस्ट हेल्प मी? Shreya says equal. Child, I want you to be more specific. I've given you the definition of the word congruence as well as the word similar. Congruent वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? ऐसे दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स जिनका साइज एंड शेप दोनों सेम है, राइट? सेम शेप एंड साइज, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट ओमकार. So when two objects they have same shape and size, can I state they will coincide with each other? Coincide मतलब exactly fit on each other. Yes या no? So when I ask you this question कि ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट है या नहीं ट्राइंगल, चिल्ड्रन टेल मी, देख के ही पता चलता है ना ये दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर फिट हो रहे हैं क्या? डू दे फिट ऑन ईच अदर एग्जैक्टली? सो दे आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल. तो जब ट्राइंगल ही कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है तो करस्पॉन्डेंस यानी मैचिंग का सवाल ही नहीं आता है. बट इमेजिन इफ देयर इज अ ट्राइंगल व्हिच लुक्स समथिंग लाइक दिस, राइट? द नेम इज ABC and the name is PQR. So these are the two triangles. I hope you people understand, right? Because I'm not able to fit both of them onto the single screen. Yeah, I hope it is visible now. So those two triangles, can I state they are congruent? Right? In order to state they are congruent, I'll have to check practically whether they fit on each other. I'm not talking mathematically as of now. I'm talking about practical sense. So when I say two triangles are congruent, it has to look something like this. They fit on each other exactly, something like this, right? Now correspondence का मीनिंग समझने के लिए चिल्ड्रन लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि ये जो ट्राइंगल है PQR, इसको अगर मैं कुछ ऐसे प्लेस करूं, एंगल Q विद एंगल A, विल दे कोइंसाइड विद ईच अदर? कोइंसाइड करेंगे क्या दोनों ट्राइंगल? एक दूसरे के ऊपर फिट हो रहे हैं क्या? नहीं. मतलब Q का जोड़ी A के साथ नहीं है, Q का मैचिंग A के साथ नहीं है. द वर्ड मैचिंग मतलब करस्पॉन्डिंग, मतलब Q का करस्पॉन्डिंग पेयर, करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट इज नॉट A, राइट? अब Q का करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट है कौन? कैसे समझेगा? लेट अस चेक. मैंने ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? R, राइट? Since I've just inverted the triangle, वो R समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, so I'll just show it to you like this. Now this R, I'll just try to put it like this. अभी coincide हो रहे हैं क्या triangles? Do they fit on each other? No. मतलब R and A, they are not corresponding angles. तो A का corresponding angle कौन होगा? P, right? Likewise C का corresponding angle कौन होगा? R. And likewise B का corresponding angle कौन होगा? Q, right? Now it does not matters कि आप कैसे लिखते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये जो ट्राइंगल है इसका नेम वी आर फ्री टू राइट इट एनी हाउ. मतलब अगर कोई बच्चे ने PQR लिखा, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. कोई बच्चे ने लिखा QPR, अगेन एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. लेट्स से देयर इज अ किड हु वांट्स टू स्टार्ट विद RPQ. बहुत सारे पॉसिबिलिटीज है, यू कैन राइट इट एनी हाउ. अब मुझे पता है कि ये जो ट्राइंगल है, राइट, दिस ट्राइंगल PQR, इट इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट to triangle ABC. लेकिन इस बार children, this time I need to write them in a proper way. मुझे ध्यान रखना है कि कौन से एंगल का जोड़ी किसके साथ है, कौन किसके साथ करस्पॉन्डेंस में है, कौन किसके साथ मैचिंग में है, राइट? सो P, इफ यू किड्स रिमेंबर, P के साथ कौन था चिल्ड्रन? P के साथ A, राइट? तभी जाके दे कोइंसाइड. सो हेंस जहां पर P का पोजीशनिंग है, आई लेट यू नो पोजीशनिंग का मतलब क्या है. जैसे ये फर्स्ट पोजीशन हो गया, ये सेकंड पोजीशन हो गया और ये थर्ड, राइट? So children, P के साथ as we understood from here कि P का corresponding is A, तो I put A here. तो यहाँ पर P का positioning क्या है? Is it first, second or third? What position does P hold? Second, perfect. तो P के साथ we know A होना चाहिए, तो यहाँ पर भी second position पर A होगा. Again, now tell me यहाँ पर P का positioning क्या है? Again it is second, so again A has to be at the second position, right? So it does not matters how you write the name of first triangle, but yes, it matters how you write the name of the second triangle. खाली इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जो corresponding pairs है वो साथ में होने चाहिए, right? अब यहाँ पर जैसे आप देख सकते हो Q का corresponding angle कौन है? B, right? तो Q का positioning I can see in the first case is second, तो Q के साथ B. Q का पोजिशनिंग इज फर्स्ट, तो यहाँ पर B फर्स्ट के जगह पे. Q का पोजिशनिंग इज थर्ड, इसीलिए मैंने B को थर्ड प्लेस पर लिखा है, राइट? नाउ वी ऑल कैन अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन दैट द नेम ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज ABC, जिसमें से AB हो चुके हैं, तो बचा कौन? C. So I'll put C wherever the space is left. Now all the three are correct. In fact, let me tell you what, there are 16 possible ways to write this thing जो कि करेक्ट है, ठीक है? 16 possible correct ways to write it correctly, the correspondences. I hope it is clear. Now this I did it practically children, ये मैंने practically किया है, right? Mathematically, in order to prove them congruent, we need 3 elements. I hope you all remember that. और वो 3 elements भी एक specific SSS test, SAS test, ASA test, SAA or AAS test, and the last one is hypotenuse side test. I hope you kids do remember those, right? And सबको ये correspondence का part समझ में आया अच्छे से, right? So if you want, you can just copy this, but copy करके भी there will be no point because you don't have this figures, right? So it is up to you. Right, so we move ahead. I believe I'll be talking about question 2 now from practice set 13.2. So I'll just read the question. In each pair of triangles, now before I move ahead with the question, there is one more thing which I wanted to discuss. Last class भी किया था, अभी फिर से करेंगे. I hope you might have heard about this thing. Vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles. Now, what are vertically opposite angles? Right? Two lines, when they intersect each other, right, at a single point, let's say the name of the point is O. It is A, B, the name of first line. The name of second line, let's say it is C, D. Now, if this is the case, vertically opposite angles are formed, and I'll tell you which are vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD, this angle is vertically opposite to angle BOC and they will be congruent. They'll be equal. मतलब उनका value same होगा. अगर ये 60 डिग्री है तो ये भी 60 डिग्री है. Likewise, angle DOB will be congruent to angle AOC. I hope that is clear. Perfect. Now we move on to the second sum. I'll just draw the figure and then maybe read the question. Okay, in the questions, how do we understand mathematically whether the triangles are congruent or not? By using tests, by using the elements which are marked congruent. और कैसे marked होंगे congruent? By identical markings. जैसे यहाँ पर दो लाइन है, there are two lines here. I can see two lines here. So QR has to be congruent to RS is given, right? Adesh Kukare, you've joined just now. Why so late? PR is congruent to RT, right? It is given to us. I know Deven, the sum was done in the last class, but there were few kids complaining कि last class में ये जो sum मैंने पढ़ाया था काफी blur दिखाई दिया तो उनको समझ में नहीं आया. So I have to do it again. I promised last class that I'll be repeating this part. Right, Deven? So it's okay if you know it. Yeah. So children, the question, it says, in each pair of triangles given below, parts shown by identical marks are congruent. So these are congruent. I already discussed that. State the test and one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence का मतलब वही है कि कौन किसका matching angle है, right? So one-to-one correspondence of vertices by which triangles in each pair are congruent and remaining congruent parts. So we also have to state remaining congruent parts. अब यहाँ पर कैसे पता चलता है correspondence? There are certain tricks which I will help you with. जो मैं लास्ट क्लास में बता भी रहा था, शायद काफी बच्चों को नहीं समझा. So in triangle PQR and in fact let me tell you what, यहाँ पे क्योंकि मैंने and लिखा है तो यहाँ पर अगर एक बार करस्पॉन्डेंस गलत भी होगा तो भी चलेगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे नो वन विल गिव यू मार्क्स फॉर करस्पॉन्डेंस, राइट? क्योंकि बीच में एंड है. करस्पॉन्डेंस का कभी ध्यान देना होता है जब हम लोग कॉन्ग्रुएंट का सिंबल बीच में रखते हैं, राइट? सो यू कैन नेम इट एनी हाउ. जैसे रैंडमली मैंने यहाँ पर PQR बोला, आई कैन कॉल इट रैंडमली SRT, आई कैन कॉल इट रैंडमली RTS. खाली सिर्फ ट्राइंगल कौन सा है वो हम लोग स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. So I'll just call it randomly RTS on purpose, right? Now let us understand कि कौन सा test है, by which tests these two triangles are congruent, right? Can somebody help me here कि यहाँ पर कौन सा test होगा? Yes, Simar from Saidham has joined just now. I would like to unmute Simar. Yes, I am a. Yeah, Simar, I've requested you to unmute, child. Simar, you there? Simar? Simmer, I guess, is not available. Simmer is not listening to me. Uh, let's say I'll be selecting Vedika from DN Nagar. Yeah, Vedika, I've requested you to unmute. Vedika? Again, Vedika is also not available. So if this happens, I believe then there is no point to continue with the lecture. Kids are not answering, or maybe kids are not paying attention. I request parents or the guardians nearby to look after the kids. Okay. Rushil from Ghatkopar, child, I've requested you to unmute. Rushil, able to hear me? I can't see any of the kids answering. Okay, Ria Satam from DN Nagar. I'll just stop the lecture then. I'll try 2 or 3 more students. If there is nobody answering, I'll just stop the lecture. There is no point. There are kids who are raising hand. I'm very happy. But then I'll be selecting kid randomly. Why aren't those kids answering? Is there a genuine problem? If yes, I would like to know. Yeah, I'll select someone from JP Nagar. Let's say JP Nagar Gaurang. Gaurang, I've requested you to unmute. It's okay if you uh, don't answer. I mean, don't answer it correctly. I'll just check whether is there some problem. Shreya, I'll just try to unmute you, child. Uh, I've requested you to unmute, Shreya.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. So there is no problem, right? I don't
Yes.
understand why the other
Sir,
kids are
but I
not.
can't see your screen.
Yeah, because I was just accessing the participants list then. So when I do that, you kids won't be able to see the screen. Now I believe you might be able to see the screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, perfect. So, Shreya, though I'm very unhappy, I didn't want it to continue, but I'll do it for those kids who raised hands. Shreya, help me here. Tell me, by which test will this two angles be congruent?
Sir, SAS test.
Beautiful. Now, how did you understood that it would be SAS test?
Sir, and triangle PRQ is congruent to TRS.
Okay, that is absolutely fine. You just directly went on to the correspondence. I'm talking about the presentation. SAS है ना? तो सबसे पहले start with a pair of
Yes.
side. It has been given to us as congruent.
Side.
कौन सा side किसको congruent है?
Side PR is congruent to side RT.
Perfect. Side QR is congruent to side RT that is given to us. Amazing. Yeah. Then,
Yes. Then angle
हाँ, कौन सा
angle
angle?
PRQ is congruent to angle SRT.
Beautiful. Angle SRT. और इसके लिए क्या reason होगा?
Given.
हाँ,
Sorry. Common angle.
नहीं,
Common angle.
नहीं, गलत. It has to be,
Vertically opposite angle.
yeah. Common angle और vertically opposite angles में बहुत बड़ा difference है. I'll help you with that later on, but as of now, yeah, we have understood those are vertically opposite angles. What next?
Yes. Next, side RQ is congruent to side RS.
Okay, side RQ is congruent to side RS. Amazing. And the reason here has to be given, right? Therefore, now you name the first triangle. Uh, I hope you do realize, Shreya, that you have a complete freedom to name the first triangle anyhow, right? Shreya, क्या हो गया श्रेया? I don't know, some issue with Shreya. नहीं, mic तो चालू है. Any other kid who wants to answer can just raise hand because I believe there is some issue with Shreya. Deepika. Deepika, I have just requested you to unmute. Deepika, able to hear me? Because I'm not. I don't know what issue exactly, but I'm all of a sudden not able to hear you kids. Anyways, I hope you kids are able to hear me because I'm not. Just put the messages. Yes, yes. It's okay, Shreya. I thought maybe some issue at my end. Yeah. So I'll just continue with the explanation. Yeah. Triangle PQR. I'll just call it as PQR because I named it as PQR earlier. is congruent to triangle. Now I have to understand the correspondence by SAS test. I have to know कि कौन सा एंगल किसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. फर्स्ट थिंग, एक इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास पहले से है कि एंगल आर को कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, मतलब ये दोनों करस्पॉन्डेंस में है. आर विथ आर इज इन करस्पॉन्डेंस. तो चिल्ड्रन, आर का पोजीशन मैंने यहाँ पर क्या रखा हुआ है? व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ आर हियर? या परफेक्ट, इट इज द थर्ड पोजीशन. तो आर का अगर थर्ड पोजीशन है तो दूसरे वाले आर का भी थर्ड पोजीशन होगा. नाउ इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल ट्राइंगल, अपार्ट फ्रॉम आर, एस एंड टी आर लेफ्ट. अथर्व says, sir, I can't hear. Atharva, are you now able to hear me? Yeah. So maybe I was a bit low, I don't know. So Atharva, what I was trying to say is this R is basically on the third position. तो R ये वाले ट्राइंगल का थर्ड पोजीशन में है, तो ये वाले ट्राइंगल का R भी थर्ड पोजीशन पे होना चाहिए. Why R only? Because angle R is congruent to angle R, right? Now next, either it has to be STR or it has to be TSR. I'll just write it down here. Do not get confused. या यहाँ पर लिख देते हैं. Either it has to be STR or TSR, right? क्योंकि ST बचा है. तो अब इसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है? How do I, check that? Very simple. PR के साथ कौन होना चाहिए? RT. Segment PR is congruent to whom? RT. So PR का positioning check करो. Here, PR का positioning क्या है? First and third. So the position of PR, children, is first, third. मतलब PR का जो साथ में है RT, वो भी first, third होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे RT दिखाई दे रहा है क्या आप लोगों को in this first case? First and third. There is a kid saying, sir, your voice is clear, but the video is unclear. I'll just try to zoom in as much as possible. Now is the video clear? The kid who said the video is unclear. Yeah, perfect. So what I meant here, kid, was segment PR किसको congruent है? Segment RT. Yeah, अथर्व, that is correct. तो PR first third पर है, तो उसके साथ RT first third पर होना चाहिए, जबकि SR है. So this is wrong. It has to be TSR. Right? I hope everybody has understood how to check the correspondence. Yeah, if you are a smart kid, then you can figure it out just by looking at the triangle. You can just go ahead. Don't worry about that, right? So we have finished with one-to-one correspondence. We have finished with the test. Now we need to talk about remaining congruent parts. Right? So remaining congruent parts. I hope everybody remembers there were three pair of segments which usually should be congruent when the triangles are congruent, right? So जब triangles congruent होते हैं, three pairs of sides are congruent, out of which we have two already given to us. So there is one pair of sides still left. Okay, PR is done, मतलब first third done है. RQ is done, second third done. So first third position is done, second third is done. The position which is left is, see, या PR is done. PR मतलब first third हो चुका है. RQ मतलब second third हो चुका है. So first second is left, which is PQ, right? You can just look at the figure as well, children. PQ is left, so PQ is congruent to ST बोलो या TS. Deepika, can you just mute yourselves? Because if I click on the participants list, first thing is आपका video ये हो जाएगा. I'll have to just again tilt the phone to orient it. Yeah, right here. So where were we? Yeah, segment PQ congruent to segment ST, right? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Now, so we are done with all the three pairs of sides. Now we'll be talking about three pairs of angles. जिसमें से ऑलरेडी एक पेयर ऑफ एंगल we have dealt with r is already done. Now here children, angle p is with angle t, right? तो एंगल p किसके साथ है? t. तो डेफिनेटली q किसके साथ होगा? s. तो you have to write angle p. Deepika, can you just lower your hand, child, because that is coming in between somewhere. Angle p is congruent to angle t, right? And angle q is congruent to angle s. Angle q is congruent to angle s. The reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Is there any kid who has not understood any of this part? Just let me know. It's okay, Vedika. I request you kids to copy the sum. It is question number 2. Sub question 2 of first sub question. So now there is only one sum left. We'll deal with that and we'll be done with that particular topic, this chapter. So just copy the sum. Let me know once it is done. Rushil Tambe left. I hope those kids leaving and joining, it is due to network issue. Bhagya has left. Yeah. Finished? Yeah. I believe most of the kids have already finished. I request those kids who have not finished can take a screenshot of it or either put a message requesting me to wait, however way you want it. Yeah, so we move ahead, assuming all of the kids might have finished it. So finally, question 2, main question number 2, practice set 13.2, right? I'll just first draw the figure and then I'll just read out the question. Anyone who wants to answer can raise the hand. It is A, D, B, E, C. Okay, there are 2 hands which are being raised. I'll just read out the question first. It says, in the adjacent figure, segment AD is congruent to segment EC. So that is given. Now, which additional information is needed to show that triangle ABD? Shubhra says the screen is not clear. Shubhra, I've zoomed the screen pretty much enough. Amberlin says it is clear. Atharva says it is clear. Shubhra, believe me, must be some issue with your internet, child, because it is very clear here. Right? So just wait for some time, maybe it just clear itself. Yeah. Show that triangle ABD and triangle ABC will be congruent by AAS test, right? So क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? सिर्फ एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में, राइट? कौन सा एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन है? अब लॉजिकल पार्ट, ये जो सम है ना, इसका बहुत बड़ा है. लॉजिकल पार्ट मतलब आई विल टेल यू. जैसे क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि ट्राइंगल एबीडी, राइट, ट्राइंगल एबीडी एंड ट्राइंगल ईबीसी बोलो या सीबीई, हाउएवर यू वांट टू नेम इट. अगर मुझे इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करना है, राइट, आई डोंट नो द करस्पॉन्डेंस. इन लोगों ने बोला है कौन सा टेस्ट? ए एस टेस्ट. So children, do I have a pair of side already available which is given to us as congruent? Do we have a pair of side available? Yes, correct. So we have a pair of side already available with us. तो ये S का condition हो चुका है, correct है, satisfied है. अब a pair of angle, another pair of angle. This is what we need, right? What I can see here is, sorry, two lines intersecting each other at point B, right? That means, can I state कि यहां पर vertically opposite angles form होगा? And that means vertically opposite angles form हुआ मतलब they are congruent. Angle CBE is congruent to angle ABD, right? So we have a pair of angle which will be congruent with the help of vertically opposite angles, the concept known as vertically opposite angle. So children, but if you realize साइड और एंगल मिल चुका है. अब मैंने ये जो एंगल है बीच वाला उसके ऊपर टिक किया है. बिलीव मी, दिस आई हैव डन इट ऑन पर्पस. दैट इज रॉन्ग. हमको ये वाला एंगल मिला. अब ये मुझे पता कैसे चला कि ये वाला पेयर ऑफ एंगल नहीं मिला और ये मिला? बिकॉज ये एंगल, उसके बाद एक और पेयर ऑफ एंगल होना चाहिए. सो इसके बाद एक और पेयर ऑफ एंगल आने का चांस सी का है. एंड देन अ साइड, एंगल साइड, or I can go this way, angle side, right? Same goes in the other triangle, angle side या angle side. अगर मैं बीच वाले एंगल पर टिक करूं, sir please can you take your screen little bit straight? I don't know, it's straight. अभी है straight? Maybe I've just drawn the figure slightly tilted child. मैंने फिगर टेढ़ा ड्रॉ किया है. Yeah, right. So my point is very simple. There are two possibilities here for the answer. ठीक है, ये टेस्ट होने के लिए कौन सा AAS टेस्ट होने के लिए. या एम्बरलिन, आई अंडरस्टूड दैट. AAS टेस्ट होने के लिए देयर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल तो ऑलरेडी काइंड ऑफ गिवन है, मतलब एक्चुअली गिवन नहीं है बट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड, राइट. फिर साइड गिवन है. तो इन ऑर्डर दैट ट्राइंगल्स टू बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय AAS टेस्ट, आइदर एंगल D should be congruent to C और E. तो पहला पॉसिबिलिटी, एंगल D किसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट होना चाहिए? या तो C को या तो E को, राइट. दूसरा पॉसिबिलिटी, सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी, एंगल A किसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट होना चाहिए? या तो E को या तो C को. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स. इफ आई स्टेट दैट एंगल D इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू C, मैं ये बोलता हूं तो आई कैनॉट स्टेट दैट A will be congruent to C, right? I cannot state that A will be congruent to C. I have to state that A will be congruent to E. So this is the first possibility of answer and this is the second possibility of answer. So there are two possible answers. The additional information required to prove, यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. It depends. There was a kid who asked कि सर ये नेम है क्या ट्रायंगल का? If I consider the first possibility, check. Tanmay says the screen is blur. Is it? Okay, in exam, you don't have to discuss both the possibilities. I'll make it simpler. I'll draw the figure on the next page and I'll just deal with one possibility later on. Sir, the answer is angle CBE. No, it's not angle CBE. It's wrong. CBE is not the additional information which is needed, child. CBE is in fact known to us. So the additional information has to be angle A congruent to angle E, or it can be angle D congruent to angle C, or the second possibility, angle A congruent to angle C or D congruent to E. So there are actually four possible answers: first, second, third, fourth. कोई भी लिखोगे आपको करेक्ट मार्क्स मिलेंगे। अब नेक्स्ट पेज में मैं सिर्फ एक पॉसिबिलिटी डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ टू मेक थिंग्स वेरी सिंपलर एंड क्लियर टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स। ये मे भी कुछ स्टूडेंट को समझा होगा और कुछ को नहीं। हाँ देवेन, एक्चुअली टेक्स्ट बुक में सिर्फ एक ही लिखा होगा, बट मैंने आपको चारों पॉसिबिलिटीज डिस्कस किया, राइट? So I'll just draw the figure once again and I'll discuss only one possibility, any one random possibility now. And you will get full marks for anyone. It is up to you. जो आपके दिमाग में पहले आता है वो लिख देने का. A, D, B, E, C, right? So they have asked us what additional information. The additional information, let's say I consider it as A with E. So if this is known to us, if this is given to us, I can state that the triangles are congruent by angle, side test, right? So I'll put it as the additional information maybe, the word maybe क्यों लिखा है मैंने, because काफी सारे possibilities है. Maybe angle A is congruent to angle E, right? The second possibility I could have went ahead with, अगर ये नहीं लिखेंगे तो it can be like this, angle, side, right? I hope it is understood. अच्छा, थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी ए ई को कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने के बजाय इट कैन बी ए कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू सी. अगेन यू कैन डू इट लाइक दिस, एंगल साइड, एंगल साइड, राइट? सो ऐसे करके टोटल 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज है. यू हैव टू राइट एनी वन. आई हैव रिटन एनी वन एंड दैट्स इट. सो द एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन needed to prove those two triangles congruent by AAS test may be angle A congruent to angle E. That's it. इतना लिखा, आपको 2 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा एग्जाम में. This will come for 2 marks. And you'll get 2 marks if you write the statement. I hope everybody has understood it. Yes. So that's it, children. I'm done with today's session as well as with this particular topic, right? So next time I'll be starting with, let's say, area. That is chapter number 15. I'll start with area. हाँ, क्योंकि अथर्व क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ यही पूछा है, the additional information. If you read the question very carefully, they have asked us only the additional information. That's it. Shubhra says your voice is not coming. Is it because all the other kids are able to hear me, Shubhra? Definitely there is some internet fluctuation at your end, child. Because कुछ टाइम पहले आपको स्क्रीन ब्लर दिखाई दे रहा था, अभी मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, right? So Shubhra, I request you to watch the recorded lecture, right? The problem would be solved then. So that's it. I'll just stop here. I don't know कि next class किसका है. Can somebody help me here? किसका है next class? So I'll just check. वो teacher available है कि नहीं? Raina ma'am. So just let me check whether she is there. Raina ma'am, are you there in the? I cannot see her. नहीं है. Anyways, I'll just stop the session here. Maybe she'll just start again in next few minutes, right? So thank you so much and God bless you all.